Hi there, thanks for joining me. This is Mike, and I welcome you to the PPC Workshop. And I've put together this website to help people who want to learn Google Ads and set up effective campaigns and run effective campaigns and drive sales and leads. I'm a Google Ads specialist. I work with a wide range of clients, and I've been doing that for over 13 years, setting up and running PPC ads and so forth. And I've written a few books on Google Ads. And in these workshops, I'm going to be sharing some of the insights that I've learned over the years and some of the things that will help you really take your ads to the next level. So I'm really excited about these workshops, and reach out to me if you've got any questions. There's an FAQ if you want to find out more about what's included, and you can read in there as well, and you can just book online when you're ready. I look forward to seeing you inside, and I really look forward to helping you run effective Google Ads campaigns.